I got the diva, guys, up in the banja nut tree, sounding the alert, and that's what she's good for. She's the loudest because there's a oh, there she is. There's Petunia, guys. Come down, beautiful princess. Yes, Petunia is the loudest one, guys. And what's happening here right now is there was several Pheasant cockerels going past, and they sounded the alarm. And we're listening to all the Australian bush songs, guys. This is the entire Petunia flock, and Petunia's lazy dad is there, guys. He just wants to be fed by mouth. You know, why have I got children for when they can feed me? You know, that's his attitude.